Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the memory seats in your Mazda 3. This feature allows you to save your preferred driving position, including seat, mirror, and active driving display settings, for quick recall. It's incredibly convenient, especially if multiple drivers use the same vehicle. We'll cover the simple steps to program and use these settings, ensuring your comfort every time you get behind the wheel. First, let's get your vehicle ready. Make sure the parking brake is firmly engaged, and if you have an automatic transmission, ensure the selector lever is in the park position. Next, switch your ignition to the on position, or start the engine. Now, take your time to adjust the driver's seat, outside mirrors, and the active driving display exactly how you like them for your ideal driving comfort. Once your perfect driving position is set, it's time to save it. Find the SET button, usually located on the side of your driver's seat. Press and hold this SET button continuously until you hear a single beep. This sound confirms the system is ready to store your settings. Immediately after the beep, within 5 seconds, press either memory button 1 or 2 to save your current position. To recall a saved position, simply press the corresponding memory button, either 1 or 2, and your seat will adjust automatically. You can also link a position to your key fob. After pressing and holding SET until it beeps, press the unlock button on your transmitter within 5 seconds. This allows your Mazda 3 to adjust your seat as you unlock the doors, providing ultimate convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.